my name is Arindam Biswas. I'm a consultant working with Arun Tagore Hospital in the Department of Medicine. Right now we are discussing, rather we are a bit scared about a new variant called Omicron that has its origin in South Africa. It has spread to almost a dozen countries, more than a dozen countries, including India. We need to be cautious. Omicron presents with different kind of symptoms. Unlike Delta, it presents with myalgia, pain in the muscles. There will be extreme weakness, fatigability, and with loss of taste sensation is not appreciated in Omicron variety. But at this point of time, we have to be cautious. We have to adhere to the rules and regulations laid down by the government. We have to stick to the guidelines, and I will request the government to do testing indiscriminately whosoever is coming from abroad. We have to be cautious. We have to maintain social distancing, rather physical distancing, and we have to wear mask. Mask is must for this time, because we have to curb this problem at the earliest possible time. But as an Indian, as a doctor practicing in India, I don't think Omicron will wreak havoc among the Indian population, because we are more or less immune. At the same time, we are receiving vaccination. I will encourage each and every Indian to go for vaccination so that we can curb this problem, we can arrest the spread of Omicron, and if we follow the guidelines, I believe we will be able to control the disease successfully. At the same time, we need to avoid gathering. Social gathering needs to be avoided because it can spread. Any virus can proliferate and ultimately may lead to a new variant. We need to be cautious about that. Today it is Omicron, tomorrow it will be another variant, and that might be very dangerous. We have to take this into account. So if you want to eliminate the virus, if you want to curb the spread of the disease, we have to stick to the guidelines assiduously and meticulously. I think if we really work hard on it, if we focus on this problem, we will be able to control and curb the problem without a shred of hesitation, without a shred of fear.